Welcome to EduSpark English, where English learning comes alive through the world's most fascinating traditions. Today's story takes you into a celebration like no other, rich in color, memory, and meaning. Like, comment, and subscribe to EduSpark English for more unforgettable English adventures. Pre-watching. Discuss the following questions. 1. What do you already know about the Day of the Dead? 2. Do people in your culture have special days to remember those who have died? 3. Look at these words: altar, grave, skeleton, celebration. What do you think they mean? At the end of October, Mexicans prepare to celebrate the Day of the Dead, a two-day event held on November 1st and November 2nd, during which they remember their deceased friends and relatives, with relatives being family members. Unlike typical mourning, people are not sad but happy on this day. Markets and shops sell special items before the celebration, including candies, flowers, and chocolates, as well as bread called Bread of the Dead, which is shaped like skulls or bones, adding a unique festive touch. Families believe their deceased relatives and friends visit them, prompting the creation of an altar in their home for these visitors. An altar is a special table adorned with pictures of the deceased, flowers, candles, and the dead person's favorite foods and drinks such as coffee, water, rice, beans, chicken, fruit, and a special bread and candies for the occasion. The family also leaves a bowl with water and a clean towel for the dead visitors to wash their hands before the meal. They light the candles and wait for the spirits to visit. At midnight, the family leaves the house and goes to the graves of their relatives, where a grave is the place in the ground where a deceased body is buried. They clean the grave and decorate it with flowers and candles, then hold a picnic on the grave with special food and drinks, sharing stories about the deceased and talking to them while eating, drinking, playing music, and singing. Different parts of Mexico have varied Day of the Dead traditions. In many big towns, Mexican families gather together to have a special dinner at home. They eat the Bread of the Dead at this meal, and the person who gets a toy skeleton in it is believed to have good luck.
While watching, A. Indicate whether the following statements are true or false. 1. The Day of the Dead is a sad, quiet celebration. 2. Families believe that spirits return to visit them. 3. Bread of the Dead but is shaped like skulls and bones. 4. People stay inside and do not go to cemeteries. 5. The person who finds a toy skeleton in the bread is unlucky. Choose the correct answer to each question below. 6. What is placed on the altar? A. Only candles. B. Toys and balloons. C. Photos, food, candles, and drinks. D. Flowers and letters. 7. What do families do at the graveyard? A. Sleep and pray. B. Eat, tell stories, play music. Plant trees and flowers. Light fireworks. Post-watching. A. Discuss the questions below. 1. Why do you think people celebrate the dead in a joyful way? Would you like to experience the Day of the Dead? Why or why not? 3. What parts of this celebration did you find most interesting? B. Write a paragraph describing how your family or culture honors loved ones who have passed away. Try to use some new vocabulary like altar, celebrate, or remember.